We learned heavy yesterday. Today is the opposite. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have the word YÜNGÜL. YÜNGÜL. YÜNGÜL is the opposite of ağır, meaning light, not heavy. Mild or easy. Let's see how. Light load, mild illness, easy task. YÜNGÜL, yük. Yük is the load. YÜNGÜL, xəstəlik, illness, xəstəlik. Xəstə is a patient or sick. Easy task, tapşırıq, iş, can be both for the task. Now, sentences. Səyahətə çıxanda çantamı mümkün qədər yüngül saxlayıram ki, uzun məsafələrdə rahat hərəkət edə bilim. When I travel, I keep my bag as light as possible so I can move comfortably over long distances. There's this word saxlayıram. That's how we write, but we say saxlayıram. Yeah. Back to translation. Səyahətə çıxanda, when I travel. Çantamı, my bag. Mümkün qədər, as much as possible, basically. How? Yüngül saxlayıram, meaning as light as possible then. Saxlayıram, I keep. Uzun məsafələrdə, over long distances, rahat hərəkət edə bilim. So I can move comfortably. Hərəkət etmək, to move. Rahat, comfortable. Now, next one. Bu tapşırıq o kadar yüngül idi ki komanda onu günün ilk yarısında hiçbir çətinlik olmadan tamamladı. This task was so easy that the team completed it in the first half of the day without any difficulty. This task, bu tapşırıq, o kadar, so, that much, yüngül idi, was easy. Komanda, the team, onu, it, günün ilk yarısında, first half of the day, in the first half of the day technically, da, yarısında, in the, günün of the day, ilk first. Hiçbir çətinlik olmadan, olmadan without, hiçbir any, çətinlik, difficulty. Tamamladı, completed. Easy peasy. Today's word was yüngül. Let's see how else we can use it. Maybe we just keep yüngül in Azerbaijani and the rest in English. I call my to-do list yüngül until it starts lifting me. To support you in your language journey, I have masterazerbaijani.com where I've been posting blogs every 10 days since November 2025. Feel free to check those out as I post over there on multiple topics, including grammar, language, historical, cultural aspects of the language. I also have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available in App Store and Google Store. I am continuing on building more modules there. For now, there are 5 modules, and out of those, number 1 module is the most important module. Highly recommended to read over and over. It's completely free, along with the vocabulary of all the modules and future modules. Check those out. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.